So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. This meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin, can be the next Popkit, and maybe we can see Binance listing also because when this meme coin was launched here, massive hype in crypto market, got listed on many central exchanges and also trending on CoinCo and also on CoinMarket. So in future, maybe this meme coin can be the next listing for all major central exchanges, and we can see same hype as right now with the hype of Peanut coin, Peanut the Squirrel coin, go listed on Binance Exchange and right now make huge profit. So maybe Catch coin can be the next Peanut coin also. So video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just fully come to here. But friends, before that, if you like my content and if you wanna watch more meme coins video, your favorite meme coins video, low cap meme coins video that can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, then you have to support me. I have provided you my all these crypto addresses in description and also on my Telegram. You have to join my Telegram channel and you can copy these addresses and you can support Sky Crypto for next 1000x meme coins. First name is Happy Cat. Okay, same just like Pop Cat, and there are too many other cat theme meme coins. So this is another cat theme meme coins. $0.02 can price start now jump because when this meme coin make massive hype, make a massive pump. So those who purchase this meme coin at low prices sell out their coins. So that's why this meme coin is jumped here. $0.23 can price jump almost 35%. But friends, you can see $77 million market cap. Okay, $77 million market for this meme because this is amazing. $22 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is awesome, friends. 3.3 billion coin supply, all in circulation. Solana ecosystem meme coin, just like Popcat is also Solana ecosystem meme coin. We are 41% down the install time high. There were 1 days ago and 570% up the install time low. So I think this is best performance from this meme coin. Within just 6 days of its launching, this meme coin has killed 1-0. So this is amazing. Okay, within just 6 days of its launching, this meme coin killed 1-0 and right now trading on $0.02. This is friends, I think this is a very awesome performance from this meme coin. MEXC recently listed this meme coin. CoinX is listed, and these all are Solana dexes. They where this meme coin is listed. FF website is looking so simple. You can see, okay, Happy Cat's name, and you can join the social communities here. You can read out all further details here, and you can buy this meme coin. Okay, you can test this on Jax scanner. You can see Happy Cat memes. 152,000 holders. So this is amazing from 152,000 holders. So this is amazing, and you can check out all further details here. Okay, number of holders, and these are the wallets they are holding this meme coin. Highest holding of this meme coin is on MEX exchange, 1.89% supply holding on MEX exchange, and now wallet number 4 is Radium. Okay, there's Solana Dex, and you can see Pump One has 0. Okay, 0.36% of supply. So there's no any value issue. Highest holding on MEX exchange just 1.89% supply. So that's why this meme coin has massive hype right now, and right now it's dumping. Maybe it can dump more here, or it can go to straight away, and we can see this meme coin to the moon also, just like Peanut coin is right now. You can see Venus is more than $1 price. Okay, and right now trending also $1.26 price and 181% pump today. So maybe the same thing can be happen with Happy Cat also. And friends, this video is not any financial advice video. If you want to invest in this meme coin, make sure do your own research and then invest here, because investing in meme coin is highly risky, no doubt. And my prediction about meme coin is that as its current market cap is $77 million, but friends, no doubt meme coin is very amazing and very potential strong meme coin, because within just 6 days of its launching, this meme coin reached $77 million market cap. $77 million market cap, $28 million trading volume. So it means this meme coin has something amazing, and maybe after some days we can see many other major central exchange listing, because right now only two central exchanges have list this meme coin. So maybe Get.io and many other major central exchanges can list this meme coin. After that we can see this meme coin to the moon, and maybe it's possible that we can see this meme coin to be the next Popcat also. Okay, because this trading volume is good right now, market cap is good, and when this meme coin was launched here, this was also trending on CoinCo and CoinMarketCap also. So that's why community behind this meme coin is awesome. You can see 24,000 people has added this meme coin in their watch list, in their portfolio. So this is amazing. So it means people liking this meme coin very much, and because I think this meme coin looks so similar to Popkit, so that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin also. But your prediction about meme coin, do you think this will be listed on Binance exchange in coming days or not? You can must comment down below.